Aloha everyone, it's Candace from Divine Breath Yoga offering you another unique Hawaiian sunset for your meditation tonight. So whatever time of day it is for you, I invite you to gaze upon some natural light or maybe some man-made light, a candle or a lamp. Or maybe you close your eyes and imagine a light source. As we start to turn our mind to looking to the light, to seek the light, we invite the light of life into us. We take in a breath of air and fill your lungs, breathing in as deeply as you're able, and then letting that breath go. Feel that big breath in, breathing in the breath of life and giving thanks for this air entering your body. Breathing out, making space for the new. And one more time, a nice big breath in, stretching, filling the lungs as well as they're able, and then letting it go. And we start to settle the thoughts and the breath, then sometimes the body follows and finds its way to relax. So support your body whether you're seated or laying down. Find that support to your back. Stretch the back as long as it's able and relax the shoulders down. And then notice that breath again. Breathing, stretching, filling your lungs. The breath letting go, softening out. Breathing in, noticing the filling of that air. Breathing out, letting go. With that supported body and slowing your breath, notice any other busy thoughts that are still bouncing around. Acknowledge them, thank them for wanting to be noticed, and then give a breath out. Set them free for a moment. Breathing in, quiet. If there's anything else still making noise, blow out. So with a quieter heart, we open the doors, the ears of our heart to listen and to meditate with our slow breath, giving gratitude. A reflection from St. John Henry Cardinal Newman. St. John Newman wrote, "God has created me to do him some definite services. He has committed some work to me which he has not committed to another. I have my mission. I may never know it in this life, but I shall be told it in the next. I am a link in a chain, a bond of connection between persons. God has not created me for naught. I shall do good. I shall do his work. I shall be an angel of peace, a preacher of truth in my own place, while not intending it, if I do, but keep his commandments. So therefore I will trust God. Whatever, wherever I am, I can never be thrown away. If I am in sickness, may my sickness serve him. In perplexity, my perplexity may serve him. In sorrow, my sorrow may serve him. God does nothing in vain. God knows what he's about." In Lectio Divina style, we often listen a second time just to let the words absorb into our hearts and minds. And maybe have a word that goes with us into our breath meditation time as we journey throughout the rest of our day, a word to ponder. So again, from St. John Henry Cardinal Newman, wrote, God has created me to do him some definite services. He has committed some work to me which he has not committed to another. I have my mission. I may never know it in this life, but I shall be told it in the next. I am a link in a chain, a bond of connection between persons. God has not created me for naught. I shall do good. I shall do his work. I shall be an angel of peace, a preacher of truth in my own place, while not intending it, if I do but keep his commandments. Therefore, I will trust God. Whatever, wherever I am, I can never be thrown away. If I am in sickness, my sickness may serve him. If in perplexity, my perplexity may serve him. If in sorrow, my sorrow may serve him. God does nothing in vain. He knows what he's about. This quiet time to just listen and meditate on the words you heard is a practice. Sometimes it feels uncomfortable to sit in the silence, but sometimes in the most quietest times of our hearts and minds, that's when we might hear God, or get a gentle nudging in our heart that we just know is divine intervention. God has created each of us to do some definite thing in this world. Let's breathe into the light of that promise. Let's breathe in hope. Making space to be wrapped in the light of God's loving light. Wrap it around your heart, your mind, your body. And then wrapped in that love light and filled with a foundation of hope, we come from this gentle practice to rise back up, to breathe, to be, and to serve. To do good work, to do God's work, to be an angel of peace and a preacher of truth. You are called forth. For that calling, we give thanks. Trusting in the divine plan, we wrap our practice here or hit the pause button and continue for as long as you'd like. Gather in that peace, God's love, hope, and any other words that came to you during the passage from St. John Henry Cardinal Newman. Let those words fill your heart, your body, your mind with strength, and send you forth. Peace be with you, my friends. Be kind to yourself and be kind to others.